Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best boho room decor is probably one of the most exciting ways to transform your living space into a haven of style and comfort. Today, we're diving into the world of bohemian aesthetics, exploring the key elements that define this unique design, and showcasing some fantastic decor pieces that will help you achieve that effortlessly chic vibe. Get ready to infuse your home with warmth, personality, and a touch of free-spirited charm as we explore the best boho room decor. Number 5. Ceremony wooden incense holder with glass ash catcher. Tired of messy ashes? This incense holder has an innovative design that captures all fallen ashes. It ensures the table stays clean, and you don't have to worry about wind or fans blowing ash everywhere. The ceremony incense holder features an upgraded metal clip that firmly holds various incense sizes. The clip is durable and won't bend or deform easily. It's easy to use and won't affect the fragrance of the incense. This holder is more than just an incense burner, it's also a beautiful home decoration. The fragrant smoke flows from the bottom to the top, creating a dreamy and beautiful visual. It's a design that brings joy and anticipation. Its unique aroma creates a relaxed atmosphere in any space. Whether it's for meditation, yoga, or simply relaxing at home or in the office, it's perfect for creating a calming environment. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This incense burner is ideal for housewarmings, birthdays, and other special occasions. It's a great item for room, home, or house decor. The package includes a glass ash catcher, a brass support rod, a wooden base, a pack of incense sticks, and an ash cleaning brush. Remember to extinguish the open fire before use and keep it away from flammable materials. What we like? This incense holder's innovative design prevents messy ashes, keeping your surfaces clean. The secure clip holds various incense sizes firmly. It's also a beautiful decoration for any room. If you're looking for a way to enjoy incense without the mess and add a touch of boho style, you should consider this. What people say. The macrame wall hanging is well made and adds a nice touch to the room. The woven tapestry is beautiful and adds a lot of character to the space. Number 4. Boho Aesthetic Pictures Wall Collage Kit. This kit includes 50 satin finish prints, each with a unique design. The prints measure 4 by 6 inches and come in a protective box. It's a great way to add some personality to your space. The aesthetic collage kit is printed on durable cardstock paper. This ensures that your pictures will look great for years to come. It's a classic way to decorate your room. The collage set features a beautiful boho theme with shades of brown, peach, beige, and teal. It's designed to complement any girl's room decor. This will make your room more aesthetic. You can use this wall collage kit in many ways. You can stick them directly on the wall, frame them, or hang them. No matter how you choose to display them, they will look amazing. This collage kit comes in a lovely box, making it an excellent gift. It's perfect for birthdays, graduations, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present for girls and young women. What we like? This collage kit offers a curated collection of aesthetic images in a beautiful boho theme. The prints are easy to apply to any wall, allowing for quick room transformation. It comes in a lovely box, making it a perfect gift. If you are looking for an affordable and stylish way to decorate a room, it's a great choice. What people say. The set includes 50 high-quality 4 by 6 inch prints featuring a vibrant mix of neon signs, hearts, lightning bolts, and retro motifs, perfect for adding a bold, edgy vibe to my room. The satin finish gives the images a sleek, modern look, and the sturdy protective box ensures they arrived in perfect condition. Each picture is worth looking at, and the color themes they do are awesome and fit my teen daughter's look, makes a room look beyond awesome and customizable. Number 3. Der Rose Artificial Hanging Eucalyptus Plant. Introducing the Der Rose Artificial Hanging Plant. It's perfect for adding a touch of nature to any room without the hassle of maintenance. This plant will brighten up your space effortlessly. Each package includes one faux plant in a stylish black pot. The plant itself is about 24 inches long, and the pot is 3 inches high and 2.45 inches wide. It's ready to hang and decorate your space. This artificial plant is evergreen and requires no watering or sunlight. You don't need to worry about taking care of it like a real plant. It's ideal for those with busy lives. Made from high-quality materials, this plant is designed for long-lasting durability. It will maintain its appearance for years to come, adding a touch of green to your home. With its vibrant leaves and realistic look, it's suitable for various spaces. Use it to decorate your kitchen, bathroom, office, or bedroom. The plant will enhance any decor style. If the plant has a slight odor upon arrival, simply ventilate it before use. This ensures it's fresh and ready to enhance your space. Enjoy your new decor. What we like. These faux plants require no watering or sunlight, perfect for busy individuals. Made from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting beauty. They can be placed in various locations. If you like the look of greenery but don't want the hassle of real plants, it's a perfect fit. What people say. They look so real and are the perfect size for the areas that I have them in. The leaves are very full and realistic looking. It adds such a nice pop of green to my space, and the best part is there's no maintenance. The leaves are realistic enough that someone even asked me if it was real. Number 2. Artificial Eucalyptus Wall Decor. This eucalyptus wall decor has a unique design, with wood beads, chips, and fringe for a natural, earthy vibe. It also comes with 2 butterfly decorations. You can clip them on the wood stick or strand. The branch length is 15.74 to 16.5 inches, and the eucalyptus stems are 11.8 inches long. The rod is natural solid wood, and the leaves are made of non-toxic plastic. It looks very natural. This wall hanging is purely handmade, so each item is unique. The eucalyptus vines, wood slices, beads, and tassels are all hand-tied to the branches. It comes ready to hang, with no assembly required. You can hang it in various rooms, such as the bathroom, living room, or bedroom. Just take it out of the box and hang it up. The muted and neutral colors match most decor styles, especially modern farmhouse. It makes a thoughtful housewarming gift. It is a great gift for anyone. What we like. This wall decor has a unique design with wood beads and fringe, creating a natural boho vibe. It's purely handmade, adding a special touch to your space. It's also easy to hang, ready to decorate any room. If you like the farmhouse style, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to hang. I've had mine for over a year and I love it. Great quality and adds the perfect accent to my wall. Very nice quality. Looks just like the picture. I love how it brings out the wood and green colors in my bathroom and makes it look cozy. Number 1. Base Roots Moon Phase Wall Decor. This beautiful wall decor features a series of gold metal moons and delicate chains. It's designed to capture and reflect light, creating a magical glow in any room. Each moon is made with hand-hammered gold metal, making each one unique. The texture details will sparkle in the light and even chime with the wind. It's the perfect decor for bedrooms, especially for those who love boho or witchy aesthetics. This piece adds a dreamy and stylish ambience to any space. This moon phase wall decor comes wrapped in a cotton satchel and a craft-style box. It's an ideal present for holidays, birthdays, or housewarmings. Subtle details create mesmerizing shines when light hits it. This adds a captivating visual touch to any space, making it perfect for teen girls' bedrooms. The wall hanging decor arrives ready to gift, wrapped in a cotton bag in a craft paper box. It's a lovely celestial-themed present for yourself or someone special. What we like. This moon phase wall decor features a celestial design that captures and reflects light. The details create mesmerizing shines, adding a captivating touch. It comes in gift-ready packaging. If you are looking for a unique and stylish wall decoration, it's a great choice. What people say. The macrame wall hanging is well made and adds a nice touch to the room. The woven wall decor is exactly what I was looking for to complete my boho aesthetic. The wall tapestry is beautiful and the perfect size for my space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.